Welcome to PageProof, the smarter way to review anything and everything. In this video, we'll look at the workflow options when uploading brand new proofs and how this changes when uploading a new version. Uploading a new proof gives you three options when using workflows. You can either create a new workflow from scratch, which is the default, choose an existing workflow template, or if you're not sure which workflow to use, you can assign the proof to somebody else who does know. For example, if you're a designer, you might want to assign the proof to an account manager who does know which workflow to use. In this example, we'll send the proof to a new workflow that we'll create. Leave the default for workflow as Create New Workflow and click Next. First, type in the email address of the approver. This is the person who'll give final sign-off on the proof, so it's typically the client. Add the inviter role for this person if you like, and either send the proof out straight away or add more reviewers. Let's add another reviewer. You can change the permission role if you like, and if you want to add multiple reviewers at once, you can comma separate the email addresses. Once you've finished, you can save what you've done as a workflow template that you can use again in the future. All you need to do is give it a name. In this example, we'll send to an existing workflow template. Choose the workflow name, then set whether you want to amend the workflow to add or remove reviewers or even add more steps. Amending the workflow only changes it for this particular proof and doesn't affect the original template. In this example, we'll assign the proof to another owner so they can complete the setup and add the workflow. On the setup screen, click Next. Then click Assign an Owner and add in the owner's email address. They'll be notified and the proof will be sitting in the outbox for them and you. When it comes to a new version of the proof, you have slightly different options for the workflow. Firstly, you'll notice that the proof details are inherited from the original proof. You can change these details if you like, but you'll also see that the workflow defaults to Use Current Workflow. This will use the same workflow that the previous version used. If you want to change this to using a different workflow template or creating a new one from scratch, you can. If you have further questions about using workflows in a proof, you can ask our team via the in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, the smarter way to review.